Hello and welcome to Cbse Fatafat by Ved Academy. This is the Cbse Class 10th Mathematics Complete Solution Series where we don't just solve problems, we build strong concepts and clear understanding of every topic. The chapter is Real Numbers. We are solving exercise 1.2, question number 3. Prove that the following are irrational in that first bit is 1 upon under root 2. As we know that the method which we are going to follow is the method of contradiction. So let us start with the opening statement. Let us assume to the contrary that 1 upon under root 2 is a rational number. Here we have taken a statement which is contradictory to what we need to prove. So the method is called as the method of contradiction. As we have assumed 1 upon root 2 as a rational, we can write it in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are the integers. So 1 upon root 2 can be written as 1 upon root 2 is equal to p upon q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. 1 upon root 2 is equal to p upon q. We will cross multiply, that is the numerator of the fraction on the left hand side is multiplied with the denominator of the fraction on the right hand side. So 1 into q is equal to numerator of the fraction on the right hand side is multiplied with the denominator of the fraction on the left hand side. So it would be root 2 into p. So q is equal to root 2p. We'll bring the variables on one side. Q upon p is equal to root 2. P and q are integers, and therefore q upon p is a rational number. Therefore under root 2 is equal to rational number. But under root 2 is an irrational number. Thus, this contradicts the fact that under root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, our assumption under root 2, 1 upon under root 2 is a rational number is wrong. Therefore 1 upon root 2 is an irrational number. You can practice solving the sums like: prove that the following are irrational numbers: 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 7, 3 upon root 5.